Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create shape on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint and then open any document. Now from here, if you want to create a shape on this document, just select your document at first and then click on Home tab. After that, on the drawing option you can see shape option, then just click here and that's it. Now here you can see so many shape design and you can choose any shape style as you like. Also here you can see categories. You can see basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart, stars, callouts and action buttons. And you can insert any shape from any categories. If you want to add these block arrows, just click here. Then you have to left click on mouse button. And then you can create a shape like this and then select your essential size. That's it. You can see a new shape has been created successfully. You can also resize your shape size from here. You have to just put the cursor here and then left click on mouse and it's done. Now if you right click on mouse, you can also customize your shape from here. And that is how you can create a shape on PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.